Hi, this is Shane Beck with Contract Furnishings Mart here in the beautiful Pacific Northwest. And today we're talking about cabinet cleaning. Really, all you need is soap and water. A mild detergent soap like Blue Dawn is excellent. So when you mix your soap and water, just a little bit of soap. You don't need to overkill it and get it too soapy, because then you'll end up just having to go back and dilute your water and wipe it down again. So really, whether it's your drawers or your doors, just get a sponge, a non-abrasive sponge, and wipe down your cabinets. Get a nice lather on it. Rinse it off and come back and wipe that off. Then to dry it, and definitely dry it, you'll want to grab a cloth. Be aware that some paper towels can leave too much of a cotton residue, especially if you have a laminate cabinet. But just a nice soft cloth, microfiber is excellent. And be careful not to oversaturate your cabinets either. Do not give them a bath. Just a light wipe down is excellent. And if you have any stubborn discolorations, don't go overboard on scrubbing it off, because you could end up voiding the warranty if you scratch too deep. And definitely do not use harsh chemicals like bleach, Clorox wipes, Lysol, Windex with ammonia, magic eraser. In short, cleaning your cabinets is really simple, just soap and water. Thanks, and have a great day.